Basically, the fourth part is focusing on the results. So where you can find your results. Basically, it's here in this part, because here is the folder where we are like saving the results. It's in the C double dot and slash idea. So if you, let's say, you can just follow your own folder or your own path to somewhere else. But let's say my folder is in the C idea. So if you just go through the file explorer uh, here in the this PC local C, so here is my idea. So basically, as you can see, here is also the for every like iteration. Um, I'm receiving also the figure that is not necessary, but I have it here, and here are the data. So as you can see, okay. So basically, for every um, thickness and every bolt diameter, I have the results. So this was the goal, what I would like to achieve. And basically here you can see there are the status of the checks. So true for overall check regarding the how many forces has been transferred, 100%, so that's correct. Some the plasticity on the plate. This is some weld utilization and bolt utilization. So as I can see that for uh, this part, uh, like a thickness of the plate, um, 20 millimeters and bolt M14, I'm getting satisfied results. And the results are satisfying from the M14 and thickness 20 millimeters till M16 30 millimeters thickness of the plate, of the end plate. Here are the figures, and yeah, basically, if I come right now to IDEA StatiCa, I can go to the parameters. Basically, yeah, as you can see, I'm missing special characters here. Cognition. Okay. Okay, as you can see, it's perfect. So here I would like to put here M14, and here will be like 2 millimeters thickness. I will set it to the model. This is what I want, and I will run the calculation. I will get the satisfying results. Let's see, it's my iteration starting, and yeah, everything is passing. You can see all three satisfied results, and the fifth one is a backlink. That is always true, uh, and it's passing. Yeah, so this is how it goes, perfectly designed, and basically this is how the process works in the Rhino and the Grasshopper.